National animals of the USA. As well as a national flag and anthem, most countries in the world have a national animal. Let's take a look at the two national animals of the USA. The bison. The bison is the largest land mammal in North America. Adult males can weigh over 900 kilograms and be up to 1.8 meters tall. Despite their massive size, they can run at over 50 kilometers per hour. Both males and females have thick fur and two horns on their heads. There used to be about 30 million bison in North America, but they almost became extinct in the 19th century. Now the population has recovered to 30,000 wild bison and a lot more domesticated animals. In 2016, the bison officially became the country's national animal and a symbol of strength. The bald eagle. The bald eagle has been the national bird of the United States of America since 1782. It represents strength, beauty, and long life. Eagles, like bison, were almost hunted to extinction in North America, but in 1940 a law to protect them was passed. They became rare again in the 20th century because of accidental poisoning with chemical pesticides. Since the chemical DDT was banned in 1972, however, their numbers have risen again. What is the national animal of your country? Are there organizations to protect this animal and make sure it thrives in the future?